Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shahana tutorial. So in today's tutorial there is something very interesting. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you the activity related to the letters. So we are going to cover letter activities. I'm going to show you some activities related to letter. Once the child complete few set of letters, let's take an example. If the child has finished 9 to 10 letters, so you can start with this activity. But remember this important information that you don't have to take the unknown letter to the child, the letter which is not introduced to the child. So always take those letters which is already introduced to the child. So let's do the activity which is known to the letters which known to the child. So I have one activity where I have taken a cups. Okay, you can see the cups. Okay, and the letters are written on the cups. Now I have stick the picture of these letters on the ice cream sticks. So for this, you don't have to take a printout or something like that. Simply you can buy a picture book, a simple picture book from any of the stationery, cut the pictures and put it on the stick. This is what I have done. So the child will do the activity like this. He will pick up one by one, then it will go in the K column. Then papaya in the cup of P. Then helmet. So it will go in the column of, in the cup of H. Okay, so similarly the child will keep playing. So I have few more sticks like this. I'll just show you how to go about with this activity. See, I have few pictures like this. Okay, like this. So the child has to pick up each pineapple. Then again it will go in the cup of P. Hen, it will go in the cup of H. Kitten. Okay, so similarly the child will keep picking up each picture and putting in the particular cup of the letter. Okay, but make it sure whenever the child pick up any picture, the child reads the picture with the sound. This will make them the proper connection of the sound, letters and the phonematic awareness of phonics. Okay, so this point you have to keep it in mind. Whenever the child pick up any card or any picture, they have to read it with the sound and put it in the proper cup. Now let's move to the next activity. The next activity is the pegging the letters. So what I have done, I have just written the letters on one strip and I have taken a peg. You can take any peg, any clip which is available to you. So here the child has to read and they has to match this. Okay, and if you're taking clip, you can use both the side, like how I have used. I have used the one side for A and the other side for I. Then it will go to here. Okay, so this is called pegging activity. Now I'll show you few pictures of the activities related to letter. Let's have a look. Okay, so the letter activities, let's see. Okay, so this is the letter matching where the cards are placed and the letters are placed on one paper where the child have to pick up each card. Again, here they have to match with the sound. S will go to S. They will say the sound. At the same time, they will pick up the letter. The next is the activity which I have just showed you right now. So this is the display of this activity. You can display the activity in such a way where the child can see each and every letter and each and every picture. Again, this is the look and match where they have to pick up the card or pick up the letter or the foam letter. Some of them are using it to the letters, look and match. The next is look and stick. So this is also one of the method where the child have to look on the board and they have to pick up the particular letter and stick on the board. Okay, the next is stick puzzle. So what you can do, you can take any two of the stick like this. Okay, just join and write the letter. So they have to match, and it will be a sort of puzzle of letters. Now this activity is called letter jump, where you have to say the name of the letter and the child has to jump on that letter. So instead of saying the name of the letter, always say the sound of the letter. Now this is letter to picture matching. Here the pictures will be given and the child will be asked to, suppose this peg is given, A is given, so the child has to search the picture of A and then they have to match on the picture of A. So this is called letter to picture matching. The next is letter to letter match. The previous activity was letter to picture match. Now here this is letter to letter match. So here one thing I just would like to explain. See here you can see the capital M is pegging with the capital M. Small a is pegging with the small a. So make it sure if you're giving the capital letter, so it should be a capital letter. Small letter, so small letter. Okay, so please do not make the child confused by giving the different letters. So if you are taking for the capital, that is why I have just kept the example of both. So if you are taking the capital examples, take the capital examples. If you are taking the small lowercase examples, take the lowercase examples. So here we have done with these activities. These activities are really very good for the kids to recognize the letter and the sound and the picture reading. So keep subscribing my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.